What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if the music app failed to play tracks in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then swipe down this circle, and when the circle gets green then you can release your finger from the screen to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the tracks error will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Power Amp app. Now install this Power Amp app and then tap on open, and now you can play your tracks without any error in this app. So that's how you can fix the music app failed to play tracks error in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.